Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to Butler Family Farm. I'm Susan, and I'm here to give you a product review. All right, I found Robert. We're going out to the our work shed and get started with this little mini chainsaw review. Here is the Saker saw. It's a small mini chainsaw, and we were contacted by a company to do a collaboration with them, and we said, heck yeah, we'll do that with you. So they sent it to us, and it comes obviously with a battery, 20-volt battery, has a couple tools and the chainsaw, and we are all charged up because the light is green. So I'll hold the camera while he puts it together. It's kind of cool that it plugs in the middle instead of on the end. My female Vanna. And then it's going to go on to the chainsaw just like you do your other battery powered tools. And he's going to, the tools that came with, he's going to double check the chain. See if I put a shadow here. Do a little tightening or loosening. A little screwdriver that goes in on this screw. Let's see if I can get in here. There's a little screw, and that's where it actually tightens. Can you turn it over so I can, here's the, there's a screw right there, right in there, okay. And he's going to crank it up again. We try to remember to oil the chainsaws up before we use them each time. And we have used this one earlier, but we wanted to do a really good review, product review on it for you. So, and now we're all ready to go. Okay. So we're going to cut off these suckers on this tree because this is where our nursery is going to be built, and it's a good test of the little mini chainsaw. So don't If you saw our demolition video, you're going to have to cut around that nail, or we're going to have to pry it. We could pry it out, right? Or not. Trying to stay out of the wind so you guys can see everything. Come back out later. We're trying to get this done before the wind gets really bad. There's another storm coming through, and we've got chances of 25-mile winds, which means I need to go out. There's some over here on this one too. Need to go out and take our flag down. Okay, we came back out to the shed so that the wind would be less. We need to turn a little bit because the lighting. There, you can stand right here close to me or sit down on the seat. Okay, so my question to you as a user, what do you think? How did it cut?
It works really well. The only thing I have about it, issue, is I'm left-handed. There's no button on the right side so that a left-handed person can use it easily without putting a finger up here and then pulling it. As to where right hand and just push
and saw and start working.
Otherwise, it works very well. It doesn't hang up real easy. It cuts really smoothly. I mean, it's really lightweight. Feels maybe at most 3-4 pounds.
How long do you think we haven't really used it continuously to make
we haven't used it excessively, no, so we're not entirely sure how long it lasts, but I would say an average of an hour if you worked with it constantly.
And how about the diameter of like those suckers you were cutting off, or
you can go as wide as this blade is. Theoretically, it's better to do only half.
Okay. All right. So what you would give this?
I would give this 2 thumbs up. It works very well. It's lightweight and easy to charge with the DC plug-in.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. So, viewers, check out the Saker mini saw. As you heard, Robert gives it 2 thumbs up, and we thank the YING. I can't remember who it was, but I'll have Jerry put it as some text maybe, for letting us try out this mini chainsaw. And everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.